Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to create Apple ID. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what you want to do first is go here to appleid.apple.com. Now you will be redirected to this website and page. Then here you can create your Apple ID. So, a single Apple ID and password gives you access to all Apple devices. So, just sign in to manage your account. And if you don't have any Apple ID, just go here on the top right and just press create your Apple ID. Now, just follow these steps and just fill up all of this on the on-screen steps to provide. So it needed your birthday and then Apple ID, your phone number. And here you're gonna type the characters in the image. Now, an email with a verification code has been sent to the email and just send the email. And then just verify your phone number to finish setting up your Apple ID. Then after that, you can manage settings related to signing into your account security, as well as how to recover your data when you have trouble signing in. So now, you have your Apple ID account. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!